I know this old truck looks old, but I've been driving it for 30 years. Transmission went out.
Dealer told me it'd be $12,000 to fix the engine that had no problems until the timing went berserk.
This is my 2000 Chevrolet Silverado. Suffered a head gasket failure.
And the awesome customer service, the one-on-one time that they spent explaining what they did to this engine, it really sold me.
Triton 5.4 V8, as good as new, and one happy customer from Powertrain.
I rebuilt one from Powertrain, and it was cheaper and better than a used one. Look, all the gears work. Thanks to Powertrain, goodbye.
Picked up an LM7 Powertrain products. Motor runs good, runs just like the factory motor did.
Waived the core charge, free shipping, and they answered every email that I sent them.
I highly recommend Powertrain, motors, transmissions. The people there are phenomenal, and they're great to work with.